The dateFromParts function converts the sent data to the date data type. 3 parameters are sent to the function. The parameters sent represent the year, month, and day. Consider a table where employee information is recorded. The birth dates of employees should be recorded in different columns as year, month, and day. We can combine these and use the dateFromParts function to create a column of type date. datetimefromparts function converts the sent data to datetime data type. 7 parameters are sent to the function. The parameters sent represent year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and millisecond, respectively. The timefromparts function converts the sent data into time data type. 5 parameters are sent to the function. The parameters sent represent hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and millisecond precision, respectively. Let's better understand how the functions work by doing an example in SQL Server. 3 parameters were sent to the dateFromParts function. The sent values were converted to date data type. I change the year and run it again. The function also checks the date. There are number 30 days in February. Therefore, this process will give an error. It accepts 28 days. 7 parameters were sent to the dateTimeFromParts function. The sent values were converted to datetime data type. 5 parameters were sent to the timefromparts function. The sent values were converted to time data type. The last value sent to the function represents the sensitivity. By changing the last value, we can better understand how it works. Now let's do a different example. I will create a table containing year, month, and day information. I add 10 records to the table. I can run the select command to see the data. I can create a column with date data type by sending the year, month, and day values to the dateFromParts function. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.